Mathematicians, how are you today? It's Friday, we made it. Good for you. I wanted to go over a few things before we get started. I wanted to remind you of our learning goal. We will understand and be able to explain the relationships between parallelograms, rectangles, squares, rhombuses, and trapezoids. You're going to be successful if you can explain the attributes of a parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, and a trapezoid. Before we go any further, I wanted to give you a little bit more information. I decided to go old school. Here is, oh gosh, I hope you can see this. This is not easy to do. This is a rectangle. There we go. And the attributes or the special features of a rectangle. They have two pairs of parallel sides. Remember, parallel sides are opposite each other. They don't intersect. This rectangle has four sides. Because it has four sides, it's a quadrilateral, and the opposite sides are the same length. These hashtags here, not hashtags, these marks here, two here and two here, that indicates that they're the same measurement. And this side has the same marking as that side. That tells you they're the same length, they're the same measurement. So those are the attributes of a rectangle. Next, we're going to look at a trapezoid. I'm going to see if this maybe helps us. Trapezoid. You've seen that shape before. The attributes of a trapezoid are four sides. It has one pair of parallel sides. So this side is parallel to, oh my gosh, we're going the opposite way. This side and this side are parallel. These will eventually intersect, so they're not parallel. And because it has four sides, it's a what? The quadrilateral. And the name of this shape is trapezoid. It's like a trap. Next one we're going to talk about is a rhombus. A rhombus is like what shape? You're right, it's a square. Rhombus is a square that's kind of been tweaked. Almost looks like a diamond, remember that? The attributes of a rhombus. All four sides are the same length. That's the same attribute as a square. And it has two sets of parallel sides. Now these marks indicate that all of these sides have the same measurement. So because of that, it's a square, but because it's at that funny angle, like a diamond, that indicates it's a rhombus. One more old school sheet. Polygons. All of these shapes that we just looked at are in the polygon family, and polygons are named for the number of sides that they have. So three sides, or tri, if a shape has three sides, it's a triangle. If a shape has four sides, quad, it's a quadrilateral. If a shape has five sides, or penta means five, we call it a pentagon. If a shape has six sides, or hexa, it's called a hexagon. And if a shape has eight sides, or octa, like octopus, it's called an octagon. And if a shape has 10 sides, deca means 10, that would be called a decagon. All of these shapes live in the polygon family. We'll build on that more next week. Now we're going to switch to my slides. What we're going to do is remember how to get to Think Central. That's what I want you to do, excuse me, again today. But I'm going to have you go somewhere different. You have to log in and you're going to get to this screen here. This is the one with the looked like a cell phone. I want you to go there first, and then you're going to click on, let's go back to this screen, this section down here, and this is called the library. Once you get, that's your home page, you click on it, and then this page is going to show up. I want you to click on Mega Math because today is Fun Friday. We're continuing that. I hear screaming, excited kids. So you click on Mega Math, and then, oh, I think these are out of order. This is showing you to click on Think Central. If this, I'm going to move this over. If this little puzzle piece shows up, go ahead and click on it, and then click OK to allow it. It's just Adobe software, I guess you'd call it, that wants to have access to your computer. Then you're going to click on, oh yeah, back here. What you're going to see is these choices of games. You're going to click on Ice Station Exploration. And then I know this is hard to see, but you're going to click on Classifying Quadrilaterals. It's a fun game. You're going to be naming shapes. You're going to be drawing shapes. You're going to have some fun there. And Fun Friday. So my little mini lesson will be sitting in here in the end in the screen in the slides for tomorrow or today. And I think if you slow down and log in to Think Central, follow the steps carefully, you'll get to ICE, what is it called again? ICE Station Exploration. So have fun with that, and also remember that you can spend time on extra math and freckle. So do that too. But I want you to be working while you're having fun, learning while you're having fun, and that's it. Friday, Fun Friday. I hope you enjoy yourself. As always, ask your teacher if you need help on what we're asking you to do today. See you later and have a great weekend.